Namaste friends, this is Nisha here and today's topic is integers. So today we will discuss with their rules how to add, subtract, multiply or divide with integers. So what are integers? Integers are all positive whole numbers, 0 and their opposites. Their opposites means negative numbers. For example, 3 and their opposite is negative 3. Okay, so all these numbers called integers, or in number line, this is a number line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here negative 1, negative 2, these are integers. So when adding integers, we have two cases to consider. The first is if the signs match, both positive or both negative. If the signs match, we will add the numbers together and keep the sign. For example, 5 plus 3 means both numbers are positive, so we can add and here keep the sign, this large one, and minus 5 plus minus 3, or in another way, minus 5 minus 3, this is same thing. Okay, so if both numbers are negatives, so we can add and keep the sign. So minus 8 is the answer. But if the signs don't match, it means one positive and one negative number, we will subtract the numbers and then use the sign from the larger number. This means if the larger number is positive, the answer is positive. If the larger number is negative, the number is negative. So for example, this is negative 7 plus 2. So here signs don't match, means one is negative, one is positive. So we have to subtract 7 minus 2, 5, and take larger number sign. This is negative, 7 is larger number, so its sign is negative. And 7 plus minus 2, or we can write 7 minus 2. So this is here again difference, because 7 is positive, 2 is negative, different sign. So we subtract 5, and here larger number sign is positive. So this is the answer. Okay, simply if same sign, addition, and take larger number sign. If different sign, subtraction and take larger number sign. Okay, one more thing here, addition like that. Okay, so for example, minus 4 plus 2. So different sign, subtract, 4 minus 2 is 2, and larger number sign is negative. 4 minus 2, different sign, subtract, and take larger number sign. So this is positive, no need to write positive. Okay, negative 4, negative 2, same sign, so we can add 4 plus 2, 6, and keep the sign negative, or we can say larger number sign is negative, so answer is negative. Okay, 4 plus 2, very simple, 6, because both signs same, so we can add and take larger number sign, which is positive. Maybe this type of questions like here 5 minus um, minus 10. So this is if negative sign in front of parenthesis, so parenthesis sign will be changed. So negative, negative, it will be positive. So 5 plus 10, okay, it means 15. Okay, negative 5, negative, negative 10. So negative 5 write as it is, but this will be because negative here multiply with negative, it will be positive. So positive 10. Now different sign subtract and take larger number sign is positive. Okay, negative 5, negative 10. Both are same sign, so we can add and take larger number sign, which is negative. 5 minus 10. So here different sign subtract and take larger number sign, which is minus. Okay, so these are the questions when we add or subtract integers. And now we will talk about how to multiply and how to divide with integers. So here multiplication and division of integers both work in a very similar pattern. The short description of the process is we multiply and divide like normal. If we signs match both positive or both negative, the answer is positive. But if the signs don't match, like one positive, one is negative, then the sign is negative. For example, 4 times minus 6. So sign don't match here. One is positive, one is negative, different sign. So simply we can multiply 4 times 6, 24, but here negative. Or negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Both answers are negative 24. But if 4 times 6 is positive 24 and negative 4 times negative 6 is 24, because same sign answer in positive, same sign answer in positive, but if different sign answer is in negative here, this one. So here a confusion. A few things to be careful of when working with integers. First, be sure not to confuse a problem like negative 3, negative 8 or negative 3, negative 8. Here addition subtraction problem this is, and this answer is when we add or subtract same sign addition and take larger number sign, so answer is negative 11. But here no sign, it means multiplication. Like, can you see this here? Didn't write anything, it means multiplication. Okay, here no sign, it means multiplication. It means minus 3 multiply with minus 8. Okay, so what is the answer for this? 3 times 8, 24, and same sign, so answer is in positive. So do not confuse here. And if you have any doubt in the integers, please ask me, because this is very basic in pre-algebra, algebra, and actually whole maths. So this topic is very important topic, very basic topic, but very, very important. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Bye, have a nice time.